Hi friends, let us understand what the Section 69B is of the Income Tax Act. Section 69B of the Income Tax Act, that's investments not fully disclosed in the books of account maintained by the assessee. In any financial year, if the assessee is found to be the owner of the jewelry, bullion or other valuable article, or assessee has made investment that is not fully disclosed or recorded in the books of account, so such exceeding investments or such exceeding amount of investments or the value of the other valuable articles, if not recorded fully disclosed in the books of account, and the assessee offers no explanation or offers explanation that is not satisfactory in the opinion of the assessing officer, in that case such exceeding amount may be regarded as a income of the assessee for that financial year. So the provisions of 69B is a deeming fiction. There are three conditions to be satisfied while invoking the section 69B of the Income Tax Act. Number one, the assessee is found to be the owner of the bullion, jewelry or other valuable article, or assessee has made investments. Second, the all investment amount is not fully disclosed in the books of account, or the assessee found to be the owner of any valuable article, that amount is also not recorded in the books of account. And third is the assessee offers no explanations. It means offers explanation that is not satisfactory in the opinion of the assessing officer. So all these three conditions to be fulfilled cumulatively. Cumulative. Only then, if all these conditions exist, then it can be invoked section 69B. So rejection of account is not a mandatory conditions. Section 69 and Section 69B of the Income Tax Act makes it clear that if the amount is not fully disclosed, even it can be explained. However, if the assessee offers no explanation or explanation is not satisfactory, then it will be regarded as a undisclosed income. However, any statements made in the books of account will not alone be a sufficient evidence. To get more information related to the income tax, please subscribe.